Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel that features only the most epic encounters caught on BIKERS camera. I apologize for my voice because I'm a little sick, but that won't stop us from having a great time and enjoying in this episode together. Let's not waste any more time and jump right into it. Enjoy! This biker got pulled over because of the loudness of his bike. According to the officer, he needs to have a silencer on it, and there is where this heated argument started to unfold. They even threatened to impound his bike. Biker said that he had multiple encounters with other police officers and no one said anything about his loud exhaust. In addition, he added that he bought the bike from a dealer and it came just like that. Regardless of the situation, the traffic officer didn't care about what the biker had to say at all, and hence the argument.
בורג, שהמספיק קול יושב בפנים.
אני קניתי את האופנוע 500 קילומטר. אין לה, אבל הוא יודע מה מותר ומה אסור, הוא יכול לזרוק מילה.
הוא לא יודע.
אתה עכשיו
שורה תחתונה, נשמה.
לא, שורה תחתונה, אני מכבד אתכם ואין בעיה, גם אם היית בא ואומר לי, שומע, אני מוריד לך את האופנוע מהכביש וזה, אין בעיה, יש חוק, יש סדר, זה לא זה, תבוא תוריד, אני אשלם את הקנס שלי וזה.
בסדר, חביבי, לך תסדר כפרה, הכל טוב.
Pedestrian is crossing the road at a crosswalk, but apparently this driver just doesn't care.
What are you doing? Watch the person, stupid!
This crazy driver clearly saw the biker approaching him. His view was not blocked, and yet he still made a sharp left turn, cut the biker off, and caused a nasty accident. Unbelievable.
Stupid mother... Bike's 3 weeks old. Yeah, you want to see it on video, mother? Got you on video, bro.
That was my turn.
Dude, are you serious? That was your turn? You took a left turn. The biker was going straight. You should have let him pass first. Oh my god.
You know that, right?
It's not your turn. Straight. License plate.
It was my turn.
No, it's not. I got you on video, brother. It's got you on video right here.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Yeah, I got him on video. I'm not good. I'm 51 years old.
Would you look at this driver's face? He's looking down on the ground as he opens his door. Sure, pal, you need to check if someone might be coming from underground. And why would you even open your door in the middle of the traffic?
Here we go again.
Check out how this self-entitled driver pulled out right in front of the biker. He didn't give him enough space at all. But that's not the worst part. Check out what happened when he got out of his vehicle.
Ale tak to pobížím a najednou. A nemůžu tak rychle vybrzdit. Nemůžu tak rychle zabrzdit.
checking if anyone was behind him.
Well, that's uncalled for. What's that for, dude?
Driver was overtaking a vehicle over a solid line, and he nearly collided with a biker head-on. I don't have to explain how close it was. Just watch the biker's face. It will tell you everything. It doesn't matter if you're skillful with it or not. It just takes one mistake, and oh boy.
Put the phone down.
Lady in a Hyundai was distracted, probably by her phone. She didn't notice that a car in front of her stopped, and she made a reflex swerve to the left and nearly took the biker out. Please, drivers, put down your phone. It's not worth it.
Caralho, já começamos daquele jeito, hein? Tá tudo filmado aqui, hein, filho, ó. Tá tudo filmado aqui, hein? Ó, aqui, ó. Aqui, ó, pô. Pode deixar que eu vou tampar seu rosto, mas ficou bonito. Não aconteceu nada, ficou bonito. Eita, porra.
As the biker wrote it himself, he realized the mistake he did, and he urges us not to act like him. I think he even learned something out of it. There were no signs of turning her indicators on or checking her mirrors before she cut right in front of the biker. Luckily, the biker was riding carefully here. Some people chase the paper their whole life but can't get it. But then on the other hand, there are people like this biker.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money.
This is what happens when someone who's not good with bikes tries to ride one.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out.
You up. You up. You're good. You're good. You're like vroom vroom. What did you think was gonna happen? It was gonna go vroom vroom.
It was on.
Biker even tried to play it cool by giving her a nice thumbs up, but her reaction made him change his hand gesture quickly. He couldn't even get mad about it. What did the biker do to deserve such a poor treatment by this guy? He was just passing by and minding his own business. People are crazy nowadays. This biker is bad luck incarcerated. During his ride, he dropped his phone on the road, and when he came back to pick it up, a random driver showed no mercy. You'll understand why in a minute.
Cuidado, cuidado. Ai,
All around me are familiar faces.
filha da puta!
A vontade de rir é grande, mas a de chorar é mais.
A few inches later.
Did you guys hear that sound? It was the tire that popped. This is a really unfortunate turn of events for the biker. He had to pull over to the side immediately, but luckily he didn't crash. Some high-level performance for your eyes. You definitely don't watch something like this every day. So, enjoy! I don't know if this was intentional or not, but it sure worked.
Ai, que escândalo! Ai, assustei! Ai, vou morrer!
Biker filter passed this driver at the traffic lights, and it would be an understatement to say that he got upset. It came to a heated debate about it, but the driver was unaware that filtering is actually legal.
Come on. What's up? What do you mean what? I didn't touch you. I didn't touch you. I didn't touch you. Stop being an idiot, mate. Now. Close your. I didn't touch you. I didn't touch the car. Sorry?
Why are you so close to me?
Because you're allowed. You're allowed to commute in between cars. I did not touch your car.
Very close.
You're very close isn't touching, mate.
There was no point in arguing with this guy, and the biker realized it after a while as well. No matter what he says, the driver just won't listen. Biker noticed that the BMW driver stopped in a keep clear area behind him, and he shook his head at his move. This was all it takes for the Darren to get upset and pull up next to the biker. Check out this crazy argument, and you be the judge.
Look behind you, you see the mark on the road behind you?
I'm not in it, am I?
You were in keep clear.
Oh, sure.
For vehicles coming across. I got told off for that once before.
I wasn't holding anybody up.
Yeah, well, it's for your own safety.
My own safety, thank you. I noticed you didn't use your indicator at the traffic lights back there.
Actually, I didn't have to because you're in the right lane to turn, not through that.
I'm there for your safety.
Just go. I can't go while you're there. Get away.
And with this clip, we conclude yet another epic episode on Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and perhaps you learned something as well. If you support my work, don't hesitate to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.